Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you step-by-step how to create a puking lemon vector using Adobe Illustrator. But before we begin, I want to give a huge thank you to all my supporters on Patreon and YouTube memberships. This channel exists because of your incredible support. If you'd like to support me, you can join my Patreon community through the links in the description. As a member, you'll gain access to exclusive perks like early access to tutorial videos, special projects, all the vector files I use in my videos, and premium vectors available only to Patreon members. Your support means the world to me and keeps this channel going. Don't miss out on these benefits. Join today and be part of our creative community. Now, I don't think you'll ever need a puking lemon vector, but this video is still a great way to learn new techniques. Make sure to watch until the end, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Practicing along with my tutorials will help you improve your skills. I upload new videos almost every day, so that gives you at least 5 to 6 chances a week to practice, and each session only takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure to follow along, take notes, and keep sharpening your skills. As a small way to support my work, please don't forget to like this video. It helps more people discover our content. Your comments and likes push this channel even higher, and I truly appreciate every bit of support. Also, a huge shout out to my loyal viewers who always watch and leave comments. You guys keep me motivated to keep creating. I'm so grateful to have you here. And don't forget to join our Telegram, WhatsApp, and Discord groups through the links in the description to stay updated on all the latest news. Let's get started.